Hello friends, I am Nilima. Welcome to NJ classes. In this session, we are going to solve practice set 1.1. Previously, we had seen the basic information of sets. What is roster method, set builder form, Venn diagram. The link of first lecture is given in description box. So, let's start with first problem. Here, the first problem is write the following sets in roster form. Roster form is also known as listing method. As we know, in roster method, we have to write all elements of set in curly bracket. The first problem is set of even numbers. Here A is a set of even numbers containing 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Second problem is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. The prime numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5 and so on. But there is only one even prime number and that is 2. So P equals in curly bracket 2. All other even numbers are multiple of 2. So there is only one prime number. Third problem is set of negative integers. -1, -2, -3 and so on is a set of negative integers. Fourth problem is 7 basic sounds of a sargam. As we know, the 7 basic sounds are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. So here D equals in curly bracket, write down all sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni and close the curly bracket. This is a roster form. The next problem is write the following symbolic statement in words. The first symbolic statement is this. Now write down this statement in words. So 4 divided by 3 is an element of set Q. Here is the second symbolic statement. -2 is not an element of set N. Here N is a natural number. Now this is written as set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Now the third problem is write any two sets by listing method and by rule method. Here we have choice, we can write any two sets. Here we prefer A is a set of even natural numbers less than 10. So using listing method, A equals in curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8 bracket close. As we want even natural numbers less than 10. In rule method, we have set A is the set of all x such that x equals to n, n belongs to n and n less than 5. Here small n is number and capital N is a natural number. Now the second problem is B is a set of letters of the words science. In listing method, we have set B equals in curly bracket S, C, I, E, N bracket closed. As we know, each element is written only once and separated by commas. While in rule method, B is a set of all x such that x is a letter of word science. If you have any doubt with listing method and rule method, please go through lecture number 1. Now the fourth problem is write the following sets using listing method. First problem is all months in the Indian solar year. Here A is a set of all months of Indian solar year, and these months are Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh, Phalgun. The next one is letters in the word complement. So here we get set X equals in curly bracket C, comma O, comma M, comma P, comma L, comma E, comma N and T. In this word E is repeated, M is repeated, but we have to take it only once. Third problem is set of human sensory organs. All of you know the human sensory organs. There are 5 organs. So write down Y equals nose, ears, eyes, tongue and skin. Fourth problem is set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Write down all prime numbers in curly bracket. Here I represent this set by Z. You can take any alphabet, but make sure alphabet is capital. Z equals in curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Bracket closed. Fifth one is names of continents of the world. There E equals in curly bracket Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America. These are the continents. This problem is write the following sets in rule method. Here the problems are given in listing method. We have to convert it into rule method. First problem is set A equals in curly bracket 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. First of all, observe all these numbers. These are the square numbers. First number is 1 and last number is 100. So we can write it in rule method as A is a set of all x such that x is a perfect square number from 1 to 100. Next problem is B equals in curly bracket 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. If we observe, these are the multiple of 6 and last number is 48. So we can write it as B is a set of all y such that y is a multiple of 6 and is less than 50. Third problem is C equals in curly bracket S M I L E. We can make any word using this alphabet. So here C is a set of all y such that y is a letter of word smile. We can also write it as a y is a letter of word slim or miles or missile, etc. as we can use this alphabet more than one time. Next problem is D equals in curly bracket Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the days of week. So here D is a set of Z such that Z is a day of the week. Next problem is set of X equals in curly bracket AET. We can write it as X is a set of all y such that y is a letter of word eat. We can also write it as y is a letter of word T or 8. Friends, I hope you would understand how to solve practice set 1.1. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for notification of practice set 1.2. Thank you.